I'm going to draw a rough sketch of what I want my final image to look like, and then I'll make a better one and add a bit of color, a bit of editing, and show you the final pic. The big one is vampirish. It has muscles and it's like this bad guy. And the tiny one is sad. It lost its wing and it's crying. Oops, made a mistake. Yeah, let's even draw a tattoo there. Nice. Big body, fancy stripes, some extra legs in case has a spider or something of that species. Weird looking legs, that's fine. Vampirish teeth, perfect. So this is how my rough sketch finally looks like. I'm going to redo it a bit and add colors, and then I'll be back soon. Here's the final result. I colored it and uploaded it to an app called PixArt. So yeah, this is the big bad insect versus the poor tiny bee. The end.